Next myth is that there are no code boundaries and there are no permission controls. It's quite a common misconception that teams in Monorepo simply can't work independently and everyone is somehow stepping on each other's toes. And it's quite understandable because you have those small projects where maybe everyone knows what they're doing and we know our team members, and now suddenly we are thrown into this huge repository with hundreds or thousands of projects and hundreds of people, and it's understandable to assume that there is no control, and we think that everyone can see all the code and everyone can change all the code because they have access to the same repository. The traditional multi-repo setups usually use repository level access control, which make monorepos appear less secure. And without separate repositories, maintaining clear ownership doesn't seem quite possible. But monorepo tools actually can provide code boundaries. Not only they can provide code boundaries, but they can actually provide better code boundaries and better source control. We can use things like path-based ownership and review rules, for example, using code owner files. And those granular write controls can be enforced either by branch protection or server-side policies. And we can make them very explicit, requiring approvals from owners and adding a bunch of automated checks for cross-boundary changes. In polyrepos, for example, while you might have security per repository, you can't really know how the published project from your repository is being used across the company. Now, in Monorepo, you absolutely can restrict those usages.